Welcome back to Adjusted Pilates. Today's a Wall Pilates workout for arms and abs. We'll be using just one dumbbell today, and I recommend using a medium weight. So I'm using 10 pounds. Do the warm up, 10 exercises, and stretch at the end. So let's get right into it. Let's start with arm circles first. You can bring your arms up and circle around. Other way, come down and around. Let's add an ab curl. So as those arms come down, flex up. As you exhale, inhale, lower, keep going. Bring the head down. We'll do a chest press. Arms are up. Bring them down, press back up. Let's begin. So down and lift. Now, bring your palms facing towards each other, bend the arms, and stretch back up. Let's begin. Now have your hands support your head. We're going to just do a simple ab curl. So breathe in, exhale, flex up, look between your knees, lower down. Keep going. Okay, let's grab our dumbbell. Starting with holding the dumbbell, I'm holding with one hand in front, and then the other hand is right next to it. We're going to bring the weight down by our chest, press up, and lower down. Let's begin. Set the weight down. Hands to support the head will work obliques, so we're going to twist one side, bring that knee towards you, and then the other knee, so opposite knees. Let's begin. And rest. Now you're gonna take that dumbbell, hold it on either side, keep your arms straight. You're gonna lower it and then bring it back up. Let's begin. So lower, you don't have to go down all the way. Come back up, you can feel that in your core too. Set that weight down. Hands to support the head, point your left foot. We're gonna curl up as the leg comes up and lower down. Let's begin. And rest. I'll show you the next one while we rest. You're gonna hold the dumbbell on either side. We're gonna do a chest press. So press up and lower down. Let's begin. Rest. Now we're gonna do the same ab one, but with the opposite leg. Let's begin. So flex up, leg comes towards us, lower down. Rest. We're gonna take that dumbbell again, starting with it up, bend. So it's gonna come behind your head and then straighten back up. So working the triceps. Let's begin. Slow and controlled here. Be careful. Set the weight down. Now we're going to do leg scissors, so your neck will get a little break here. So start with the legs out. One leg's gonna be up. We're gonna switch, 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 and switch. So you switch, tapping the wall. Let's begin. You can bring the feet down, bring the legs down, get a little rest here. The next one, we'll put our feet back onto the wall. I'll show you while they're down though. Hands are gonna be on the outside of the dumbbell. Press up and then lower and lift. So we're combining that press and the skull crusher is what it's called. Let's begin. So starting down, press up, lower and lift. Okay, set that weight down. I really feel it in the back of my arms, big time. Okay, last one, we're gonna do an ab curl with a 3 count lower. So you're gonna curl up and then lower on 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin. So curl up, lower, 1, 2, and 3. So working on the endurance of the abs. Okay, let's sit up and stretch. Let's start by stretching the abs first. So we're gonna do a cat stretch, round the back. And then arch the back so you feel a stretch through the front of the abs, the stomach there. And again, round the back. And arch the back. Sit back into a shell stretch so knees are open wide, feet can be together. Arms are reaching in front and then we round the back. We'll hold here. And come up. You're gonna reach your arms back, hold them if you can, hold them together, then reach up. So you'll feel stretch through the front of the shoulder, through the chest. We'll hold here. Bring your arms in front. You're all set. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Please leave a comment below if you did, and I'll see you next time.